everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing my Sephora Play bag, not box, but Sephora Play bag. And it's interesting, on the back of the bag it says open up for pocket-sized amazingness, hashtag Sephora Play. It is green, and it also comes with a card with 50 Sephora Play bonus insider points if you redeem them. Looks like the theme is the Adventures of Play Bay. No, that's not it. Your beauty sidekicks, that's what it's called. This side does have like cute little drawings and like a little story and stuff on it. Sometimes it's different, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and get into the bag. This has all of the items on the side here, on this side here, and we're going to go ahead and dig in. Pulling this out first. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Okay. All right. I don't really smell anything. I don't know why I smelled it, but whatever. This is what the little package looks like. Okay. I'm going to read to you from the card. It says, the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. A retinoid serum with super strength and a gentle side is exactly what you need to combat the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. How to use. Smooth a dime-size amount over clean, dry skin before moisturizer at night, and don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Okay, next item in here. Pull this out. Okay, so this is from Laura Mercier. It is the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out. I have a lot of open mascaras right now, and I don't want to open another one while I have so many open. So we're going to go ahead and read from the card on this. And I will put this in my box where I keep all of my products that I get this month, and I've already gotten at least one mascara. I think I'm getting a couple of more. I might already have a couple more. I don't know. But I'm only going to open one of them at the end of each month for my end of month beauty box look using all of my beauty box products. So this is the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Not that a defender of justice needs more drama, but this glossy black mascara can't help but make a scene. Meet the ingredients. The formula's Gentle Caviar Care Complex contains French, mineral-rich volcanic and seawater materials that help condition and moisturize lashes. And it says that's new, so that's pretty cool. So maybe this will be the one that I decide to go ahead and use in my end-of-month beauty box look. Let's go ahead and pull this out. It's in a little plastic bag. I guess they were worried it might leak. Let's go ahead and get it out here. All right, so this is the Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. I will definitely be using this. Okay. It does have a smell. I can smell it already. It must have been a little bit of leak. It smells okay. All right. This is the Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. Heat and environmental damage are no match for this smoothing, protective, leave-in hair primer that reduces blow-dry time. How to use. Mist evenly through damp strands before combing and heat styling to prevent breakage and heat damage. So I will definitely be using that. Next item. Let's pull this out. What is this? All right, so this is the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Protects and perfects medium to thick hair. So my hair is really thin, but I'm looking forward to giving this a try. And it looks like I'm getting a lot of flashback with my lights there, but that is what it looks like. So, all right, it says, it's a bird, it's a plane, no weight, it's an extra trial size sample. This is the Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. That's a really long name. Frizz is no match for this smoothing, protective leave-in hair cream. Looks like I could definitely use it. My hair is always frizzy. How to use: warm a quarter size amount with your hands to watch it transform from cream to oil and apply throughout damp strands before styling. It says it's chosen for your hair concern. Ooh, it smells good. And I have put that I have frizzy hair in my profile. So that, now I'm going to mess with my hair, is something that I'm definitely interested in giving a try. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out here. So this is from Bioessence, I don't know. It's the Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. Nourishes and restores skin moisture barrier. That is the box. All right, let's go ahead and pull it out. All right, and it's just in a little tub. And it's not sealed, but the topper came out of the lid. Now I will say this. You see the tub, and I was like, oh, that's a pretty decent size, right? Let me show you the inside of the tub. I'm not sure it's focusing enough for you to see how empty the tub is, but it is all but empty. Yeah. All right. I guess it's an expensive product. I don't know. So this is from Bioessence, whatever. Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. Dry skin feeling like a damsel in distress. Squalane and lipids to the rescue. How to use: defend against the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by massaging a dime-size amount onto clean, dry skin in the morning and at night. So I guess it's a moisturizer? I guess it's a moisturizer. And that the lid keeps coming off, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that away, this little card away, because it just keeps coming off the lid. But let's see how the moisturizer feels. It feels nice. So, all right, I will give that a try. All right, and there's one more item in my bag. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And this one I'm actually kind of really excited to have because I love this stuff. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And I, like I said, absolutely adore this moisturizer. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. That is what it looks like. And it's just like a pink gel. And it really doesn't have a scent, which is one of the things that I really enjoy about it. But this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Just like a true hero, this face cream never rests. It helps skin stay hydrated for 72 hours. How to use: when your skin needs major moisture that lasts, massage a dime-size amount onto clean, dry skin morning and night. Yes. So let's go back over the products again. The Clinique Moisture Surge, which I am excited to get. And just for comparison purposes, this has 0.5 ounces or 15 milliliters. This one has 5 milliliters or 0.16 fluid ounces. So this is 1/3 of what this one is. The Bioessence Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. The Laura Mercier Mascara, which I'm excited to give a try. The A+ Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. The Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter, which I am definitely excited to try out. And then the Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer. So I'm not super excited about this. I mean, this is Sephora. And yes, they sell skincare. I get it. They sell skincare, they sell hair care, but like the majority of the things they sell is makeup. And for them to send this box out with literally just a mascara, I don't know. I'm very disappointed. I've told you guys this before. Sephora Play and me just, I think I might have to cancel it. I think I might just have to cancel it because this has been several months now. I'm pretty sure that I've gotten like 4 skincare and 1 maybe makeup product, and that's kind of disappointing. So Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. If you think I should go ahead and cancel it, if you think I should just keep holding on to it, let me know that as well. If there's any other boxes or bags that you would like me to try out if I get rid of this one, and let me know that as well. I'd appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And any comments that you might have are welcome in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. One last thing before I sign off, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is Nimini's Boutique. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I would have really appreciated it if you check it out. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.